For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India registered the highest single-day spike of 49,310 cases in 24 hours, taking the country's tally to 12,87,945. The active cases in the country stand at 4,40,135. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 pandemic has crossed 30,000. The country reported 740 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll to 30,601. India's recovery rate continues to bring some relief to the country. As per Union Health Ministry, around 8,17,208 patients have been cured of COVID-19. The Indian Council of Medical Research stated that over 1,54,28,170 tests were conducted in various laboratories across the country till July 23rd, and out of these, 3,52,801 samples were tested yesterday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, West Bengal, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat continue to report a high number of cases. Maharashtra has reported 3,47,502 COVID-19 cases. Maharashtra reported 9,985 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 3,47,502. Around 1,94,253 patients have been cured of the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 12,854. Tamil Nadu reported 6,472 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. Chennai continued to report the maximum number of cases, followed by Tiruvallur in the state. Tamil Nadu now has confirmed 1,92,964 cases with 1,36,793 recoveries so far and 52,939 active cases. The death toll in the state stands at 3,232. Karnataka reported its highest single-day spike of 5,030 positive cases. However, on the positive note, around 2,071 patients were discharged on the same day. Karnataka has reported 5,030 fresh new cases in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 80,863 COVID-19 cases in the state. Around 29,310 people have been cured of the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 1,616. Delhi is one of the worst hit COVID-19 regions in the country. The national capital has reported 1,27,364 COVID-19 cases so far. Delhi has reported 1,27,364 confirmed cases with 1,09,065 discharges and 14,554 active cases. The death toll in the national capital stands at 3,745. Meanwhile, India and Israel scientists have announced a joint development of rapid testing tools for COVID-19. In the latest development, the Israeli scientists are all set to arrive to India with breakthrough technologies to help the country ramp up testing and curb the spread of COVID-19. The deadly coronavirus has claimed the life of more than 6.3 lakh people so far across the globe.